Kamusta sa inyong lahat? Welcome back sa Pagkaing Pinoy TV. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng Milo Pancakes. In a bowl, combine the all-purpose flour and the Milo powder. Add the white sugar and the baking powder. Next, add the butter, egg, and the water. Mix it all together. Continue mixing until no more lumps. Heat the pan and grease with melted butter or oil. Scoop the butter and pour it in the middle of the pan. Flip when you see the bubbles. Cook each side for about 1 to 2 minutes. Repeat this step for the remaining pancake mixture. You can see the tiny bubbles, so you can now start flipping it. Okay, that's perfect. Let's cook. Here's our yummy Milo pancakes. You can top it with your fresh fruit and maple syrup. Thank you for watching! Ayan, nakagawa na tayo ng Milo pancake. I'm sure magugustuhin ito ng mga anak ninyo. I-try nyo itong recipe na to. At kung meron pa kayong ibang recipes na gusto nyong gawin ko, just comment it below. And click on subscribe at bell icon para makareceive kayo ng notification tuwing meron kaming new videos. Huwag niyo rin kalimutang mag-visit sa aming website at www.pagkaingpinoytv.com. Mag-follow din kayo sa aming Instagram at Pagkaing Pinoy TV 1 at mag-join kayo sa aming Facebook page at Pagkaing Pinoy TV 1. Thank you for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye!